hanging out at Topgolf with the guys. The Utah crew is here.
What up? What up, Jimmy?
Having a good time. Mr. Brett just finished his turn, and I think it's my turn. Let's go. If I could just point out one piece of strategy that he's doing here. He's going for the red target, but just watch how he gets ready here. Watch where he's putting this ball. Tee it up. Tee it up for the chip shot.
Ah, suck!
There you go.
That's good.
There you go. Get in there.
Yeah, that'll work.
Got it. He knows what he's doing.
Not doing good right now.
How's it going?
Horrible.
Why?
Well, if I was a good golfer, I would know why. But
I'll tell you what, after tonight, I have some new golf shoes that I need to invest in.
yeah, buddy, the 5-finger toe shoes. Toe shoes and no shoes, what?
Tell the people what just happened.
So Brett's in first place by technicality because he's the only one that's gone, but Jimmy is in second place and he hasn't touched a ball. Brett hit 2 of them for him. Got him some points. He actually got him 40 off the first ball, so not too bad. Not too shabby at all.
Not too shabby. Yes.
You're way consistent that way.
Yeah.
Hey! Go! Hey! Jeremy, you're killing it. You got 14 points. You're only 265 points behind John.
So the Rebel's up now. Man, that speed round is something else. I'm tired, but I couldn't believe I was getting an 8-iron all the way out to the back fence. That was good. Take a look. We'll see if it holds. So the rapid fire round is over, and I think the numbers speak for themselves.
I was close.
We've got a minute and a half left. We're gonna take lefty shots and see what happens.
Yeah, well, you want to film this for sure. Grab it. Grab. Get out of the way.
Hey, not bad. Not bad.
Left hand up still. Yay!
All right. Swing and a miss.
Practice swing.
Hey, nice.
I hit the
Well done.
Alright. I think we need to...
Whoa! I hit the ceiling.
Hey, You didn't say it was going to be 4 hours long.
That's smart. Practice swing. Practice swing.
Look at the hair went out. Seriously. You kidding me? You kidding me? Don't kid yourself! Yeah, I mean, you literally...
I think that's going to wrap things up for us tonight. So much fun here with you guys.
That's it.
Hey, that was really fun.
Hey, that was fun.
Hey,
That was really fun.
Thank you.
I'm Jeremy of the Greener Lawn.
Brett sucks.
Make her green.
Ready?
Make her green, folks. 1,
2, 3.
I don't even know what that means.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
That's how we do it.